Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, it really helps out. And on today's episode, we're gonna be checking out our new project, so stick around, I'd like to check it out. All right, you guys, so here is our new project vehicle. This is a 1973 International Scout II. Picked it up a little while ago. Had to park it for a little bit, but we're gonna be jumping into it now here. As you can see, it is a bit rough right here. We're definitely gonna need to do some body work on it, as well as interior work. If you look at the interior right here, it's definitely a little torn up right here, so we'll have to work on that. We will also have to tackle the floorboards. Floorboards do have some rust in them, on both passenger driver side as well as the back of the inside of the bed right here. So we will be working on that. And then coming around this way right here, the back of it is not too bad. Got some dents got to pull out. We're gonna have to work on the top. And then again, we'll just have to do some body work on the side as well right here. So yeah, so pretty excited about it right here, and we will get working on this right here. All right, you guys, so for the engine in this is a 304 V8. It does have a 4-speed manual transmission, as well as, of course, 4-wheel drive. Initially, we're going to be starting to work on the motor with this right here. It does run, but not very well. So we're going to come in, we're going to replace fuel lines, we're going to replace fuel pump, plugs, wires, you name it. We're going to pretty much do a nice, good size tune-up on it right here. We are leaking oil from the valve covers right here, so we're going to have to pull those and replace the gaskets on them right there. So we got a bit of work to do right here, but we're going to get this moving and running pretty well. And then from there, we'll go on ahead and start doing the interior. And the interior, for the floor pans and stuff like that, we're not going to do them all at once. What we're going to do is we're going to go on ahead and we're just going to start doing it one section at a time right here. All right, you guys, so that is our new project vehicle, 1973 International Scout II. For the longest time, I've been looking for one of those. A lot of them are completely rusted out in worse condition than that one. This one, it is still pretty rough, but I think I can definitely tackle it here. So I'm looking forward to trying that and seeing how I can do with it. Of course, we're still going to be working on the Mustang right here. There's still lots of projects to do on that Mustang here. So, but we're going to be kind of splitting it up a little bit between the Mustang and the Scout a little bit more now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are looking forward to some Scout videos right here. I know I'm definitely looking forward to making them and getting stuff done on that right there as well. If you guys haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out anything on the projects here. So thank you very much, and we will see you on the next one.